Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna fish salad with eggs. First, gather your ingredients: canned tuna, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, celery, and a few simple seasonings. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This classic dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, offering a delightful blend of textures and flavors. Now, let's prepare our main components. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove any excess liquid, ensuring a firm texture. Next, peel and chop your hard-boiled eggs into small, uniform pieces. Finally, finely dice 1 stalk of crisp celery. This adds a wonderful crunch and fresh flavor to your salad. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to combine them. Place the drained tuna and chopped eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add the diced celery, then incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Season generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of paprika for a subtle warmth. Gently mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined and have a creamy consistency. Take a moment to taste your salad and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or pepper. Serve your delicious tuna salad on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or fresh lettuce wraps for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.